Hello, this is Alex, and this is going to be an overview of an Advent 310. We received your labels and containers, and the reason why you sent in your product was to make sure that the overhead pressure arm would be cleared or allow the push-through feature to be taken advantage of on these larger diameter containers. So what we've done is we've added these longer blocks to the overhead pressure arm, and that does allow the container to be pushed through. However, there is a little bit of a binding pressure point as you push through, and it works fine, doesn't affect the operation of the machine. It just requires a little bit more effort to push through. We can locate the overhead pressure arm even higher and attach it to the aluminum cover of the machine, but that locks you into using the overhead pressure arm with large diameter containers. Right now, we could still adjust this down to a small 1-inch diameter container. Let me go ahead and turn on the machine and just show how it works. So you insert, and you can see that label goes on really nicely. We were a little bit concerned about that because of the tight tolerances with the label, but they look absolutely fantastic. And let me go ahead and push that through. And you can see it binds a little bit, so you have to put a little bit more effort to push through, and it works great. Peter's catching them here. And you can see that label goes on really nicely. We're clearing the ridge, no bubbles, no wrinkles, and it's tracking really nicely, even though these containers can be notorious for being a little wobbly. And of course, the standout feature is that we're able to adjust these white tires to clear the lid and the lip, and that's what allows this label to go on so accurately and so nicely. So the 310 is a really good application for this product and container. We just wanted to point out the overhead pressure arm, and if you're just running 3-inch diameter containers or containers that are similar, wide mouth containers, and you don't need to adjust for the overhead for smaller diameter containers, it might be a little bit easier to locate the overhead pressure arm onto the aluminum cover. So that's the 310, doing a really nice job on this product and label. If you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call at 800-846-7716. Thank you.